one more type of breathing I want to share with you. This is another one from Breathe With Me. This one is the counting breath. And I like to count like this. 1, 2, 3. We're going to count to 3 for this breath. And for this one, we breathe. Well, of course, you have to start really tall, nice and tall. And you breathe in, but you count to 3 in your head when you're breathing in. I'll use my fingers to help me. So we breathe in. I like to breathe in through my nose. We'll count to 3, and then we'll breathe out through our mouth. And we'll count to 3 that way. Ready? So that breathing takes a little longer than our normal in and out breathing when we're not thinking about it. Not when we're thinking about our breathing. Let's do this 2 more times. We'll count 1, 2, 3 in, and then 1, 2, 3 out. Ready? One more time. And that slow breathing makes me feel really good too. It helps my body feel like it is ready to take on the next challenge and to have more fun.